Hey there, science fans. Today, we're diving into the world of potassium, an element that's more important than you might think. It's one of those elements that's everywhere and in almost everything. But don't let its abundance fool you. Potassium is a powerhouse. From keeping your heart beating to making plants grow, potassium plays a vital role in our world. You might be surprised to learn that potassium is actually a metal. But don't worry, you won't find a chunk of it lying around. Potassium is very reactive. This means it loves to combine with other elements. That's why we usually find it in compounds, not in its pure form. So buckle up as we explore the amazing world of potassium, from its explosive properties to its essential role in life as we know it. We'll uncover the secrets of this tiny element with a big impact. Get ready for a potassium-packed adventure. Let's get up close and personal with potassium, shall we? In its pure form, potassium is a silvery white metal with a shiny luster. It's so soft you can actually cut it with a knife. But don't be fooled by its gentle appearance. Potassium is highly reactive. Expose it to air and it tarnishes rapidly, forming a dull oxide layer. Drop it in water and watch out. Potassium reacts violently with water, releasing hydrogen gas and generating enough heat to ignite the hydrogen in a fiery display. It's this reactivity that makes potassium such an interesting and useful element. Because of its reactivity, potassium is rarely found in its pure form in nature. Instead, it combines with other elements to form compounds, such as potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, and potassium carbonate. These compounds are found in various minerals and are essential for life. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because potassium plays a critical role inside your body. That's right, this mighty mineral is essential for maintaining good health. From regulating your heartbeat to keeping your muscles working, potassium is one busy element. One of potassium's most important jobs is helping your nerves transmit signals. These signals control everything from your muscles to your brain. Without enough potassium, your nerves wouldn't be able to communicate effectively. And that's not all. Potassium also helps your cells maintain the right balance of fluids. It also plays a role in regulating blood pressure and muscle contractions. So how do you make sure you're getting enough of this mighty mineral? Simple. Eat a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with potassium and other essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Let's take a trip back in time to explore the fascinating history of potassium. Long before scientists knew about elements, people were already using potassium compounds. They didn't know it was potassium at the time, but they knew these compounds were useful. One of the earliest uses of potassium was in soap making. People discovered that ashes from burning wood or plants, which contained potassium carbonate, also known as potash, could be combined with fats to create soap. This discovery revolutionized cleanliness and hygiene. It wasn't until 1807 that potassium was finally identified as a distinct element. Sir Humphry Davy, a brilliant British chemist, used a powerful new tool called electrolysis to isolate potassium from molten potash. This groundbreaking discovery ushered in a new era of understanding about elements and their properties. Section 5. Potassium in plants. Growing green with K. Calling all plant lovers. Did you know that potassium is essential for plant growth? That's right, this mighty mineral plays a vital role in keeping plants healthy and productive. From the roots to the leaves, potassium is one busy nutrient. One of potassium's most important jobs in plants is helping them use water efficiently. Potassium regulates the opening and closing of tiny pores on leaves called stomata, which control water loss through transpiration. This is especially important in hot, dry conditions when plants need to conserve water. Potassium also helps create and transport sugars, which are essential for energy and growth. It strengthens cell walls, making plants more resistant to pests and diseases. And it improves the quality of fruits and vegetables, making them tastier and more nutritious. Section 6. Potassium on your plate. Eat your fruits and veggies? Ready for some delicious science? Getting enough potassium in your diet is as easy as enjoying a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other potassium-rich foods. These foods are not only packed with potassium, but also loaded with other essential nutrients that keep your body healthy and strong. Bananas are famous for their potassium content, but they're not the only game in town. Sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, watermelon, and even coconut water are excellent sources of potassium. Incorporating these foods into your meals and snacks is a delicious way to give your body the potassium it needs to thrive. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance and variety. So, mix it up, explore new foods, and enjoy the delicious benefits of a potassium-rich diet. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Potassium deficiency. When your body's out of K. While potassium is abundant in many foods, some people may not get enough of this vital mineral. This can lead to a condition called hypokalemia, which means low potassium levels in the blood. Don't worry, it's usually not serious and can be easily corrected with dietary changes or supplements. But how do you know if you're not getting enough potassium? Well, your body has a way of letting you know. Common symptoms of hypokalemia include muscle cramps, fatigue, weakness, and constipation. In severe cases, it can lead to irregular heartbeat, paralysis, or even respiratory problems. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to see your doctor to determine the cause. They can perform a simple blood test to check your potassium levels and recommend the best course of treatment. Remember, listening to your body and seeking medical advice when needed is crucial for maintaining good health. Section 8. Potassium in industry, from fireworks to fertilizer. Hold on to your lab coats, because potassium isn't just essential for life, it's also a key player in various industries. From agriculture to manufacturing, potassium compounds are used in a wide range of applications that impact our daily lives. One of the most important uses of potassium is in fertilizers. Potassium is one of the 3 main nutrients that plants need to grow, along with nitrogen and phosphorus. Potassium fertilizers help farmers increase crop yields and improve the quality of their produce. That means more food for everyone. But that's not all. Potassium compounds are also used in the production of glass, soap, detergents, explosives, and even fireworks. Potassium nitrate, for example, is a key ingredient in gunpowder, which is used in fireworks to create those dazzling explosions of light and color. Section 9. Potassium and technology powering our world. Get ready to be amazed, because potassium is even playing a role in shaping the future of technology. From batteries to energy storage, potassium is emerging as a key component in innovative technologies that are changing the world as we know it. One of the most promising areas of research is potassium-ion batteries. These batteries are similar to lithium-ion batteries, which power our smartphones and laptops, but they use potassium ions instead of lithium ions. Potassium is more abundant and less expensive than lithium, making potassium-ion batteries a potentially more sustainable and affordable option for large-scale energy storage. Scientists are also exploring the use of potassium in other cutting-edge technologies, such as solar cells and supercapacitors. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate, store, and use energy, paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Section 10. Potassium Fun Facts. Did you know? Ready for some potassium trivia to impress your friends? Here are some fun facts about this amazing element. Potassium is the 7th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. The name potassium comes from the English word potash, which refers to potassium carbonate. Potassium is essential for the proper functioning of all living cells. Bananas are a good source of potassium, but they're not the only source. Too much potassium can be harmful, so it's important to consume it in moderation. Potassium is used in some types of fire extinguishers. Potassium can be found in seawater, but it's more concentrated in underground deposits. Potassium plays a role in regulating blood pressure, which is why it's important to monitor your intake if you have high blood pressure. Potassium is a key ingredient in many sports drinks, as it helps replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. Potassium is constantly being recycled in the environment through a process called the potassium cycle. Section 11. Potassium, the essential element for life. From the food we eat to the technology we use, potassium plays a vital role in our world. This often overlooked element is essential for life, supporting our health, powering our industries, and even shaping the future of technology. So the next time you see a banana, a bag of fertilizer, or a firework display, remember the amazing power of potassium. It's a reminder that even the smallest things can have a big impact. By understanding the importance of potassium and other essential elements, we can make informed choices about our health, our environment, and our future. So let's continue to explore, learn, and appreciate the wonders of the world around us, one element